got a thing for challenges. I've been uploading these videos for less than a year and I've already done 2. The first one was a challenge for my Spanish learning journey, and this one is a health challenge. "75 Cupcake" is a play on the 75 Hard Challenge created by Andy Frisella. It lasts 75 days and has 5 tasks that need to be completed each day before you fall asleep, or else you have to start all over on day 1.
So Mallory's not doing 75 Hard, she's doing 75 Cupcake, which is where you don't complete all the tasks every day. You kind of make it your own, and you can't call it 75 Hard, but there is a 75 Cupcake name for it.
After Katie got finished listing all of the rules for 75 Hard, I was like,
how about no, Scott?
I'm fine with doing 75 Cupcake instead of 75 Hard because I'm not trying to make this a slog. I just want to improve myself by adding healthy habits into my life. I already play tennis outside a few times a week, and I've been weightlifting. However, the weightlifting hasn't been consistent, so my goal is just to work on that. I read Thinner, Leaner, Stronger by Michael Matthews, which goes through a solid weightlifting workout plan as well as form explanations so you don't hurt yourself. I found it extremely helpful, so maybe you will too. There are 2 versions of the book. The first one is for women, it's Thinner, Leaner, Stronger, and the second one is for men, it's Bigger, Leaner, Stronger. I'll put those links in the description below. Drinking a gallon of water is probably the best addition, for me anyway, because usually I drink about 20 ounces, which is admittedly on the low side. I have a bunch of nonfiction books that I'd like to read, and I already read a bunch of fiction and nonfiction anyway, so this didn't seem like too big of a stretch for me. And luckily, this will work with one of my other goals this year, which is to read 32 books. I've been doing paleo since November with the exception of a week in December. And really, I just like that it makes it super difficult to eat junk food. I can still have cookies, but I've got to bake them, wait a few hours, and wash dishes. Just talking about it makes me tired. If you follow my Facebook page or Instagram, you probably have seen some progress pics. I also added a task to make sure and take my vitamins every day. Although I do take vitamins, it's not consistently at all, and so I felt like this was a great opportunity to track that and improve my consistency. I have a lot of conflicting thoughts about the diet part of this challenge. Diet used to mean what one eats regularly, whereas now it's something bad and something we do when we want to lose weight. I think it's important to get in the habit of eating real food, or clean eating, or conscious eating, however you want to call it.
Dressing always gets in the way of the natural taste of the lettuce.
I think it's a lot about balance, and not changing your diet because you want to lose weight necessarily, but because you want to feel better, which may result in weight loss, but is not the main focus. I'm saying this not just for you, but for me. I need to remind myself of this daily. Question of the day: what do you think about diets? Let me know in the comments below. I feel like there's a potential for this to be quite controversial, so I'm looking forward to the discussion. Alright, thanks for watching, y'all. Make sure to smash the like button and don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends who may be wanting to do this challenge with you. I'll see y'all next week. Bye! In the Millennium Falcon. Still got it.
Good job.
I just went to slog. That makes me laugh.